We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Myself Divyesh Patel, lecturer in Vidyadeep Engineering College. I am going to take the chapter named Unit Operation Process for Wastewater Treatment and Design of Treatment Units. Subject code is 2160604. Our topic name is Design of Bridge Chamber. Example number 1. A bridge chamber with a proportional flow weir at its outlet to be designed to handle a sewage flow from population of 50,000 and a per capita daily consumption of water of 135 liters. Design the bridge chamber. First of all, average flow of sewage. (135 into 50,000 liter per day). Our answer is 6.75 into 10 raised to 6 liter per day. It is converted into meter cube per second. Then 6.75 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube per day. Then Q average is equal to 6.75 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 24 hours into 60 seconds into 60 minutes. Our answer is 0.078 meter cube per second. Second, maximum flow. Q maximum is equal to 2 into average flow. Two into 0.078. Our answer is 0.156 meter cube per second. Then minimum flow. Q minimum is equal to 0.5 into average flow. into 0.078. Our answer is 0.039 meter cube per second. Okay. Then assume horizontal velocity of flow. Horizontal velocity of flow VH is equal to 0.20 meter per second. A is equal to Q maximum upon VH. Q maximum is equal to 0.156 divided by 0.20. Our answer is 0.78 meter square. let's provide depth one meter. Therefore, width of grid chamber B is equal to A by D. A is equal to 0.78 and D is equal to 1. Our answer is 0.78 meter. Okay, provide B is equal to 0.78 meter. Let's assume settling velocity of particles to be removed in the grid chamber. Vs is equal to 0.02 meter per second. Therefore, detention time is equal to depth of chamber divided by settling velocity. Depth of chamber is equal to 1.0 and settling velocity 0.02. So our answer is 50 seconds. Okay. Then last step, length of tank is equal to VH into detention time. VH is equal to 0.2 and detention time 50 seconds. Our answer is 10 meter. Okay. Hence, provide a grid chamber of 10 meter length with 0.8 meter and depth 1 meter. That is our final answer. Okay.